She has been adjusting me all through contest prep. She helped me get through different injuries and things like that, even when I was powerlifting, all the way through bodybuilding, and she's going to do her thing.
Okay, is there anything particular bothering you today, Lionel?
Just my lower back. I have a tight QL, which we already know. Yeah. And I think my hips are a little bit off.
Okay. No neck or upper back or anything?
No. Maybe a little kink on my right side.
Okay, let's have you start face down. Yeah, your right ilium is rotated backwards again, and that QL is tight. So we'll do the sacroiliac first with the drop table. Okay, I'm going to adjust your L5 and then we'll do some trigger point work on the QL. Deep breath. I was looking for a tool, but it's not there, so I'm just making. Does your any of your posing get affected in the competitions by your back or the muscles being tight?
When I'm posing, I can see my glutes more on one side than the other. I don't know if that's the reason why, because my hips are off.
Which side are you looking?
On the left side. All my leg muscles on my left side seem more prominent than the right side.
And your right is the tight. Take a deep breath. Let's have you turn over your back and we'll adjust your neck. You're a bit locked up in that upper thoracic region too.
Oh, really?
Okay, Lionel, that all looks good.
Well, thank you.
You're welcome. Good luck this weekend.
I appreciate it. Thank you.